This is Ring's latest security camera. This is the Ring Car Cam, and this is a dash cam that goes in your vehicle. It features LTE connection. So wherever you are, wherever your car is parked, you can get real-time video and audio, and it also features two-way talk. Any dash cam footage that is recorded will get synced up to the cloud where you can view it on your smartphone. So let's go ahead, unbox it, take a look, and set it up. So opening up the box, we have our instruction manual located here. At the very top, we have the dash cam itself. And on the dash cam, this is the outward facing camera. So this would get mounted like this. This would look out the car. We have a button on top with a LED indicator. And on the rear, we have the inside facing cameras that face the passengers, as well as the privacy blocker. And inside the box, we have a USB-C cable located right here. This trim tool located here will help you route the wires and hide them. Right here we have an additional piece in case the mount is not thick enough. We slide this piece on here, and it essentially just makes this piece a little thicker so it fits better if needed. Here we have the obd plug, and that converts it to the USB-C. And here we have some double-sided cable concealment mounts, as well as additional double-sided stickers. All right, so here I have my car, and we're gonna go ahead and install the camera. We're first gonna plug in this OBD port item. It's gonna be located under your steering wheel down here. So each car is gonna be a little bit different, but if you look underneath the steering wheel, you'll notice that the port is located right there. You'll notice it lights up. We're going to plug in the USB-C port. And after we plug in the USB-C port, we're going to route the wire behind the trim basically. So on this car here, you can see we're just pushing the wire between the dash. We can even use the little tool they give us. I have a flathead screwdriver with some tape on it, and you can see we could just push it right into the little cracks. I can push this in a little bit later, but while I'm filming, I'm just going to go ahead and try to make this short for you guys. Hide it along the trim here. So something like a credit card actually works really well in the end pieces. And you can see the wire is completely concealed all the way to the other side of the dash. I'm going to go ahead and plug in the Ring device, set up the process for installing it. All right, so here you have either an iPhone or Android device. We're going to go into the App Store and download the Ring app. All right, so once the app has finished installing, go ahead, tap it, and it's either going to ask us to sign in or to create an account. So go ahead, either create an account or log into your existing account. I'm going to log in. Once you create a Ring account or log into your Ring application, you'll notice this is the home screen, and from here we tap on the left. We're going to go to set up a device, choose cars, and it's going to ask us to scan the QR code, and that is located on the dash cam itself. Right on the back here is a QR code, and we're going to scan that with our camera. And then it's going to detect the car cam. From here, it's going to ask you where do you have the vehicle parked. Go ahead and tap continue. Now we're going to give our car cam a name. And I'm going to go ahead and tap it's been installed. And it's going to ask us to park the car in a good spot with cellular reception. Turn on location access. And we're going to go ahead and plug this in and install it into the dash. So once the camera is plugged in, find your center point for the dash. And we basically just sandwich this in and flip up the camera. I'm going to also peel off the protective lens cover here. And let's go ahead and turn the car on. And you'll notice the light comes on the camera. While this is starting up, I'm going to show you how to hide this excess cable. And we basically just route this over here and hide it into the rest of the dash. Once that light starts flashing, we're going to come back to our cellular device and hit continue. Light is flashing. Got it. Join. And we can also connect the car cam to our Wi-Fi. Go ahead and put your Wi-Fi password in here. And it's going to attempt to connect the camera to Wi-Fi. This way it can also utilize the Wi-Fi instead of the LTE network. And I'm going to keep the location turned on so we can find the car if we're parking it or something like that. This explains the privacy cover, how we can flip it up. And we can put the decal on our car and just hit continue. We can optimize the motion settings. Motion sensitivity. How frequent we want the motion alerts. And adjust the power usage. And here's a quick look at the low, medium, and high battery usage settings. So you can put it on high if you drive the vehicle often, low on something that you don't drive often. I'm going to go ahead and keep mine on default on low. It's also got the special Alexa built in. I'm going to skip on letting others track the car. And just like our Ring app, we'll notice all of our cameras are located here. Here's the car cam, and it is updating, so let's give it a minute to install that update. All right, so the camera's fully installed. It's gone through its updates. I'm going to walk you through the app a little bit, and you'll notice right away we see the car cam, a preview right in the center of the screen. On the bottom, you'll see it says 29 days left in your Protect Go trial. And so right now you have LTE service for 30 days, which is a trial service. After that, it is $6 a month to subscribe to the LTE service. If you don't want to do that, you can use Wi-Fi, and whenever your car camera is connected to Wi-Fi, it'll go ahead and push all of those videos, recordings to the cloud. So with that said, let's go over the app. Again, right in the center is the preview of the car. We can go ahead and tap on it to go live. And this is a live view of the interior camera. On the bottom right, we can turn the lights on. And the car is parked in my garage. It's completely pitch dark black. So you can see it does make out a little bit, but it is a little bit grainy in the video. You can toggle on SOS, and basically it allows you to request police, fire, or medical to the address of the camera. On the left, we have some of the more controls again, which is going to be like those lights and sirens to turn it on and off. We have two-way talk, so if we enable the microphone, we should be able to hear audio coming back, and we can talk to whoever is in the car. We can end the live view right there. We can also zoom in, zoom out. make it full screen, which turns it horizontal. And then on the top right, you'll see a refresh looking icon. If you tap that, it turns it around to the front facing camera. So now we're seeing the front, which is the garage door. If we hit end live, we'll actually be able to scrub our videos. So you can see me here, live view, I'm in the camera, I'm in the car. I'm going to toggle it around to the front facing camera, and you can see we have some driving footage from earlier tonight. And this is all pulling from the cloud. And then we can scrub those as well. You also have the option to share this footage on the bottom left. So we can share it via text or on social media. The calendar allows us to select a day where the recording is from. So to select, you want to see videos from Monday the 13th, you just tap on that. Filter allows you to filter by event types, and then more allows you to download the video straight to your device. Now I'm going to go over some of the settings. So I'm going to back out, and on the top right, you'll notice this gear icon. From there, here are the settings on your dash cam. You can enable or disable the motion detection, motion alerts. In the center, you'll get the location of the car in case you've parked it somewhere and forgot where you parked. You've got live view just like before. Event history is another way to just look at all the clips that it has recorded. Motion snooze allows you to snooze motion alerts for a certain amount of time. Location and privacy allows you to turn on and off the GPS. Device health lets you see the signal strength of the cellular connection as well as the Wi-Fi connection. Motion settings allows you to adjust the sensitivity on the motion. Device settings allows you to rename your device, change some of the recording settings. So here I have mine to rewrite old storage, whereas you can have yours delete after a day. You can also adjust the battery usage here for low, medium, and high. On the bottom, last three options, we have help, which is the FAQ guide. Shared access, you can actually share this camera to other Ring users. And then traffic stop, you can enable the Alexa record function. And so say you're getting pulled over, you just say Alexa record, and it'll record 20 minutes after you say that. So that is a quick look at the app. Now I'm going to pull down some videos and show you what the videos look like that I pull off the camera.
Okay, so my first overall impressions with this Ring dash cam are that it works pretty well. The major complaint on this dash cam is the quality of video is not great. It's about 1080p, whereas there's many 4K cameras out there on the market. It's not really sharp in the daytime or at nighttime. It's just okay, and making out license plates won't be great. The LTE connection works fairly well. At $250, it's an expensive price to pay for something where the video quality is not that great and might not be useful in an accident or scenario. So I would definitely recommend checking out some other dash cams first and possibly buying the second version of this camera. If you guys do have any questions, go ahead, leave those down below. Make sure you subscribe for tech videos. Check out my channel. Hit that like button if you found the video helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.